Well, this is my last blog. I figured as the last blog, I'd make it a video blog. Talk a little bit about my experiences in the class and share some things that I expected and didn't expect about it. One of the big things is I think I was introduced to a lot of tools that I normally wouldn't have used. And one of the primary ones is something that I was the loudest one to bitch about, and that would have been Delicious. I didn't see really any purpose in it, and it annoyed me that it added a toolbar to my browser, as I like to keep all the add-on toolbars off from it, keep it simple. But I've actually found a lot of use for it. I change computers all the time. I'm all over the place and often find myself saying, what was that website with that tech information on it? Now, although I don't share my links, I do use Delicious for just that purpose, so that I have a running, updated copy of all the available materials that I use for both in my private consulting and network building, and also in writing for the gaming site, and in the projects I have going in Second Life. So it's really turned out to be a great tool. The other things, a lot of the video tools that we discovered in the course of the class, just really fun stuff, and I've actually used them since then with family pictures and making little greeting cards for people and stuff like that. I enjoy using the screen capture program too. I've used that on a couple of occasions to show people how to do stuff in Second Life. I'm actually working with somebody to set up a business in Second Life right now, and it's a great training tool. I have found software on the web that allows me to change its native format to that of AVI, so it's easier to share too. Where am I as a techno learner and eurekas that I experienced? Well, I knew how valuable YouTube was when I came into this, but now I can see it's just an amazing tool. It's an amazing place for people to share. I mean, as simple as seeing news on the roadside or sharing a video of your kids playing in the hot tub. It's been a godsend to me, and I intend to use it a lot more. The site that I created in the process of this course, I plan on keeping it updated. Even if it's only a collection of my own thoughts and stories that didn't get published, I'm really looking forward to using it as time goes on. I'm happy with the layout. I'm happy with the look and feel of it. And it's nice to be able to have a home for the stories that don't get published anywhere else, such as my little rant on stormtroopers in Star Wars Galaxies. I actually put up another one this morning. I did a little tour of my home in Second Life and put it up there for everybody to see what my little piece of Second Life looks like. As far as what I see in my future, my next classes, I'm actually almost at the end of the road. I came into this because I was in the IT industry for 12 years, full-time. From going into the Air Force to getting out and building a network for the city of Port Orange, Florida. Moving back to Vermont, working for some local tech firms. I got burnt out, and I decided I was going to take a break from it, and I went into sales for a while. While I was in sales for 6 years, a lot changed. It no longer was about the fact that I know how to do this stuff. It was now about the fact that I have certifications that said I knew how to do this stuff. Again, this made it difficult, and what I decided to do at that point in time was to go back into school and take the coursework it would require to get my CCNA, which is a immensely valuable tool in the networking industry. Cisco Certified Network Administrator Certificate opens a lot of doors, and it's very difficult to get. One of the requirements is the 4 courses that CCV offers. And I have just finished Cisco 3. I have only Cisco 4 left to take, and I'm done. So this will be a end of the trip for me. Recertification. I have all the stuff I need to take my A+, my Network Plus. I'll be taking a lot of that during the course of the summer, and probably around the first of the year 2010 I'll be taking my CCNA, which will propel me back into the IT field, which I so dearly love. The only thing that I hoped we would cover a little bit that we didn't get a chance to was Flash by Adobe. I actually have the program installed and have little or no idea how to use it, so I'm hoping that I can find some kind of course at CB that will enlighten me, since I have to do one more semester with the school. And I will wrap up with that. I want to thank everybody for reading what I wrote. I want to thank Lisa for being a great and understanding teacher. It's been a difficult road for me. I am a father of 5 and work full time, go to school, and teach martial arts on the side, so it keeps me quite busy. Thank you, everyone, and I hope you have a great semester for those that are re-enrolling.